Good morning, ma'am. This is B. Sharon Grace from Computer Science and Engineering Department, first year E section. Today, my topic for presentation is find the maximum and minimum values of given equation. Find the maximum and minimum value of x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square for extreme value x greater than 0, comma y greater than 0. Solution. Here in question given that f of x comma y is equals to x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square. We consider this equation as equation 1. Step 1. Dou f by dou x is equals to 0. X power 4 becomes 4x cube minus 2x square becomes 4x plus 4y is equals to 0. Dividing this with 4, we get x cube minus x plus y is equals to 0. We consider this as equation 2. Second step, dou f by dou y is equals to 0. Y power 4 becomes 4y cube plus this becomes 4x. Next, minus 2y square becomes minus 4y is equals to 0. Dividing this with 4, we get y cube plus x minus y is equals to 0. We consider this as equation 3. Now adding 2 and 3 equations, minus x plus x becomes cancel, plus y minus y becomes cancel. So we get x cube plus y cube is equals to 0. Now simplifying this, we get x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy is equals to 0. X plus y is equals to 0, comma x square minus xy plus y square is equals to 0. We take x plus y is equals to 0. Then we get x is equals to minus y. We consider this as equation 4. Now substituting equation 4 in equation 2, we get minus y cube plus y is equals to 0. Then we get y cube minus 2y is equals to 0. Taking common y, we get y of y square minus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0, comma y square is equals to 2. Then y is equals to plus or minus root 2. When y is equals to 0, substitute in equation 4, we get x is equals to also 0. When y is equals to root 2, substituting in equation 4, we get x is equals to minus root 2. When y is equals to minus root 2, substituting in equation 4, we get x is equals to root 2. Next, we got the stationary points are 0, 0, root 2, minus root 2, minus root 2, root 2. First, at 0, 0, r is equals to dou by dou x into dou f by dou x. Dou by dou x into dou f by dou x we got in equation 1. So 4x cube minus 4x plus 4y. Next we get 12x square minus 4. In x square we put, when putting 0 we get minus 4, that is less than 0. Next, t is equals to dou by dou y into dou f by dou y. In step 2 we got dou f by dou y equation. So dou by dou y into 4y cube minus 4y plus 4x. Then 12y square minus 4. Here in y place we put 0, then we get minus 4, that is less than 0. Next, yes, dou by dou x into dou f by dou y. Dou by dou x into 4y cube minus 4y plus x, 4y plus 4x. Then we get 4. Then we get 4 that is greater than 0. Here RT minus S cube is equals to minus 4 into minus 4 minus 4 square is equals to 0. 16 minus 16 becomes 0. RT minus S square is equals to 0. It has no solution. At root 2 comma minus root 2. R is equals to dou square f by dou x square. Here we get 12x square minus 4. In x square place we put root 2 square. Root and square becomes cancel and we get 24 minus 4, that is 20. 20 is greater than 0. Next t is equals to dou square f by dou y square, that is 12y square minus 4. We put y plus minus root 2 and square and root becomes cancelled. We get 24 minus 4, 20, that greater than 0. S is equals to 4. Here RT minus S square is equals to 20 into 20 minus 16, that is 400 minus 16. We get 384. Here RT minus S square greater than 0 and R is equals to 0. The function is maximum at root 2 gamma minus root 2. F of x comma y becomes x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square minus 2y square plus 4xy. In x place we put root 2 value and y place we keep minus root 2. Simplifying this we get minus 8, that is less than 0. At last stationary point, that is minus root 2 comma root 2. R is equals to 12x square minus 4. We get 20, that is greater than 0, and t is equals to 12y square minus 4 equals to 20 greater than 0, and s is equals to 4. Here RT minus S square is equals to 20 into 20 minus 16, that is 400 minus 16, we get 384. Next RT minus S square, that is greater than 0. R greater than 0. The function is minimum at minus root 2 comma root 2. F of x comma y is equals to x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square minus 2y square plus 4xy. 4 plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus minus 8. Cancelling all 4's we get minus 8, that is less than 0. Thank you. Presented by B. Sharon Grace from Computer Science and Engineering Department, first year E section.